Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rochester to Genoa City, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Rochester, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Eagle Lake, Bonners Lake, Caledonia, Salem, Burlington, and Waterford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tornado watch number